Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete. They call me Scooby. First and foremost, thank you everybody who has subscribed over to the channel. Really appreciate it. Austin and I love it. So this is what we're going to be doing today. This is what I've done so far. I already got pots back from powder coating. I tried to get it to match the frame. Didn't come out too bad. I got that. I got my sissy bar back from powder coating, trying to get that also to match. This is a TC Bros sissy bar. I notched it out before powder coating to go over the wires on the rear. And we also got some Viking leather bags with the shock cutout. See that? Snow. It might be a while before we get out on the bike. T45. Look at that. I cut the little slot in there. Wire goes through it. That little notch holds that right in place. Perfect. We're not going to bolt it up right now though, because there's a bracket that goes on here for the saddlebags. I want to attach that bracket and then put it together. There's a little bracket I'm looking for. See that little groove? The electrical wires go through there, the bolt goes through there. So, we are going to mount this on this side here. I'm going to squeeze this in, give myself a little room. It's got the same holes as the sissy bar does. Hope you're all enjoying this video or finding it useful anyway. So I just want to let you know, if you're liking the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like it to help the YouTube algorithm thing going. But I just wanted to point one thing out in this video. Let me show you real quick. On the bolt right here, I don't think I announced it in the video. It's 2 1/4. That's the bolts that I used to go from the fender to the light. And then up here It was 3-inch bolts. What I did was I took the original ones, took it to the store, got some stainless steel ones, mashed up the threads, put it in. Now back to the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah. So that's the left side saddlebag. It's got a little touch right here. I'm not going to space that out. This doesn't move over here. The bottom clears. So it is what it is. I added the washer there. Spacer rather, another spacer there. I don't know if you can see how that connects. There's a little bracket that comes with a set. This is still loose because I gotta space that out too. Yeah, I was tightening that fender bolt and it popped out my lens. I'm guessing that bolt is a little too long. Might have to do another little store run again. But all in all, it's not bad. So now we're gonna do the other side. So in the instructions, it tells you to mount this, measure it, outline it, yada yada yada. But what I did was this forms to the bag pretty well. So what I did with that one was I lowered that about a 1/2 inch or so. And then, yeah, so see how that's spaced out? That connects to that little bracket that attaches to the light. Makes like a little boomerang. But that little boomerang comes over here. I know. You would think, like, let me show you on this side, a little boomerang. See that little boomerang? It's not hard, just frustrating. Running back and forth to the store for bolts and stuff. So yeah, I just lined this up with a bag instead of trying to draw it out and figure out. I don't want that spaced out like that. I figured if it sits up there, it's gonna give it better support, right? So I just dropped that one about, like I said, 1/2 inch, finger width of my finger or so. This is the VLX 650p, I guess. I don't know. And then I just drew these out. Now I ain't worried about them being lopsided because I'm following the contour of the metal bracket. See that? See that? And then this guy too. That one takes a different size drill bit. Alrighty. And there you go. This takes like a 5/16 drill bit, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, 5/16 for the 4 holes. That one's the bigger one. I'll let you know what size that is. And that one is a 3/8 drill bit. Maximum weight limit each saddlebag's 11 pounds. So these can take about 11 pounds. That's the holes you got to drill out. unlock these. That's the key it comes with. This Velcro is really stiff. It's the first time opening this one. All right. So now you're gonna get your little baggy goodies. They give you 4 small bolts. That's for the 5/16 holes that you just drilled out. You're gonna remove these nuts. So now you're gonna push these in through the inside. Not the 5/16, because that's the bigger bolt that's gonna go through there. I'm gonna push that through there. That goes through there. Yeah, did I mention this is not fun? Good. It's not. I'm gonna put my 5/16 bolt first here. I'll put this on place. Make it a little easier to win. Oh my god. You can see fiberglass. I'm a little bit inside. When you push through, kind of forms the seal on you. So I think anyway. That's going like that. Going like that. That little tight. Down there. So that's how it looks. And you're gonna get these washers that come with the kit. There's 2 different size holes. You see that? The big one goes over here to space that one. And then the other one is gonna go over here once I find the correct bolt. Alrighty, see that? You're gonna need those washers. Don't forget a little Loctite. Or a lot of Loctite. See that little loop back there? That goes through there. That one goes in through there. I'm gonna put the nut on the back side of that to hold that in place. Now comes the fun part. You gotta reach back there to push that metal tab that runs across here forward so that can bolt on. All while fighting this flap here. Oh wait, is that gonna grab? That would be so nice if it grabbed. Why would it grab? Here we go. How does that one look? See, this one clears it perfect. That bracket was bent a little. I knew it was. You can see it dipping in a little. 2015 Street Bob brackets. Didn't have to relocate the lights or the license plate. It fits inside there. It bolts onto this bracket here, and it comes with another bracket, like a boomerang bracket that attaches right to there. See that little chrome spacer? And then it loops around down, and that bolts onto there. There's space. You gotta make sure you got everything's clear, right? That's not gonna get in the way of the swing arm. That's plenty of clearance. You want a few inches from the exhaust. I got about 4. They recommend 1 to 2 inches. So that clears the exhaust. Plenty good. And there you have it. No relocation or any of that stuff needed. Anyway. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.